In this segment, we're going to cover adjusting the intake valve, cylinder number 3, part 2. Following the same procedure, first break in retaining them. Okay, that feels good. Now I'm going to double check and make sure I got both these retaining nuts good and tight. Okay, well, I'm going to recheck. I found that this one's a little bit looser than what I originally thought, so I'm going to loosen it again. Reset the center adjustment. Go a little bit further this time and tighten down the retaining nut. And recheck it. And since it fooled me once, I'm going to check it again just to make sure. It is kind of snug. And that seems to have about the same amount of movement as the other intake. That will conclude adjusting the intake valve, cylinder number 3, part 2. Please watch our next segment on adjusting the exhaust valve, cylinder number 3, part 1.